Hey everybody, out here in the creek today. It's down real low. Just come down looking for old bottles. I found a couple. I don't know a whole lot about them, but there's one. Let's see. I got some other stuff. Let me just dig it out. I don't know what this is off of, but it's a cool looking piece of glass. Bottom's been broke off of it. I don't know a whole lot about bottles. I just like finding them. And then I had another one somewhere. I didn't lose it already. Nope, it's still here. Tiny one. Well, not tiny, but small enough. Appears to be slick. I can see on it. And one artifact hiding in the grass. See right in through the leaves? Hiding. Hiding. This kind of makes me feel good because this is about 5 years ago. Something caught my eye, sorry. I get distracted easy, you know that. Check that bad boy out. Da-da-da. Oh, happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. That's a good one. Must be a knife blade. Not real sure what that material is. Looks like Harrisburg shirt. But this is the bank I found my first creek arrowhead on 5 years ago. I don't know where time goes, but it flies. And walk on up through here a little ways.